Hi guys, welcome to Mon Talks UAE. Welcome to another Sarwa update. If you are new to the channel, guys, please make sure to subscribe and support the channel. That would be really helpful for me, and it's gonna motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you are new to Sarwa, guys, make sure to go to the playlists and watch my Sarwa progress videos. In this way, you're gonna familiarize yourself with Sarwa and how this platform is working, and if I'm making money or I'm losing money with Sarwa, so that you can make a good decision with this investing platform. So go ahead and watch this playlist. Now let's go to Sarwa. I don't want to waste a lot of your time, guys. I just want to make a quick update. My portfolio balance so far as of the 7th of Feb, it's 10,342. So if you manage to watch my previous updates, you will see like the balance is quite similar. There's not a lot of differences. I'm still having like 200 plus earnings, 2.4 of my net deposit, which is 10,100. I know, guys, this is not a big amount of money that I am gaining with Sarwa right now, and this is pretty normal because the stock market is not doing well for these past 3 months. So that's why I'm not seeing any returns, and probably I can also see that probably we're gonna have like minus as well. So it means that I will be losing some money in the future. That's also depends on the stock market. So I'm seeing like the stock market nowadays is recovering. So hopefully we're gonna go in a great direction. You see past performance here. You see there's like these jumps ups and down. So we don't have a clear idea where the stock market is going, whether it's up or down. But lately it was really doing bad. You can see here after my deposit, it was still going down, and now it starts to a little bit go up, but I'm not sure if it's gonna go up right away or it's gonna still take some time and go down. So last year, as you can see, we have a really nice uptrend. We have some big jumps here. So this is not the stock market, guys. This is my own money. This is my deposits, and if you remove this deposit, you will probably see that the movement of the trend, it's not gonna be like this. It's gonna be less because the stock market, as I said, guys, it's not doing so well lately. So I'm still waiting for that moment where the stock market is gonna explode, and I am seeing that's gonna happen pretty soon. And if you analyze the market, if you analyze like what's going on with the world right now, you can tell that actually we are in a transition with the post Omicron virus, like the new variants of COVID. So a lot of countries now, they are actually removing the restrictions, and they're trying to make the economy much better. They are encouraging tourism, like flights are opens, like you can see like there is some good news coming up in the world. So that's what the stock market likes. The stock market always likes positivity in the market, in the world. So that's what makes the stock market goes higher and higher. So whenever there is a bad news, like there's a virus or there's like political conflicts, as you can see nowadays, there's a problem in Ukraine and Russia and China and US. So all of that stuff is affecting the market. So once we gonna pass through these issues, you will see that the stock market is gonna go higher and is gonna give you higher return. Also, Bitcoin, as you can see from my last video, it was down 37%, and now it's only 20%. That means that Bitcoin starts to move higher. And I told you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but I told you guys, I give you a prediction of the cryptocurrency. And I told you Bitcoin is really now in an area that's gonna change the Bitcoin price, like either like worse or it's gonna be much better. And that's exactly what's happening. And you can see this is a huge support area right here, and always when the price is going to this area, you can see it jumps really high, and then it goes down, tests this area, goes high, then back high, and you can see it reaches like one of the toppest highs, like almost $70,000. And then we have really bad days because Bitcoin was crashing, and then again the same thing, it reached this area and then it jumps up. So this is my prediction, guys. I'm seeing that Bitcoin probably is gonna start to go in the upward direction. So still we didn't see any broke with this support. So that's why I'm seeing like there's more possibility for Bitcoin to go into the upward direction. So I'm not saying these guys to go ahead and start buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrencies in general are very very risky. So unless you want to spend some money and risk some money with Bitcoin, I would highly recommend you guys to stay away of it if you don't know what you're doing, and if you are afraid that you're going to lose your money, because there is a high possibility that you're going to lose some money with cryptocurrencies. Because once you see your money live, you will see this crazy uptrends, and you will see that you are making a lot of money, and then after 1 day or 2 days or even 1 hour, you see Bitcoin is crashing and it's gonna give you a lot of pain. So this is normal for cryptocurrencies, very volatile market, and if you are not willing to put some money for long term, then I recommend you to not use Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies, because all the cryptocurrencies are following Bitcoin. And once you see Bitcoin is going up, you see all the other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Ripple or I don't know, Shiba, Dogecoin, all of them, they will have the same things. Okay, so that's it guys about this review. So make sure guys to use my link. If you don't know anything about Sarwa, make sure to use the link and get a free 50 welcome bonus. It's a free $50 that you can use to invest with Sarwa. It's gonna help you out starting your first investment. So go ahead and do that. And even if you don't like Sarwa, if you see that it's not something that's gonna make you money and it's not something that's gonna interest you, you can go ahead and withdraw your money. It's really easy to do that as well. So this is not gonna cost you anything, but in case you want to join, and you will already get a free $50, so you're already in the plus direction. So that's it guys. Make sure to subscribe and follow the channel. Next week I'm expecting to see a new deposit in my account. I already deposited around $1,000 to take advantage of the dip and get some more returns in the future. I am creating this Sarwa account for the long term, so these movements, they are not affecting me at all. And remember guys, as long as you are holding and you're not selling or withdrawing any money, that means you're not losing any money, even if the portfolio balance is down. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. So if you are a holder, don't be afraid of these stock markets downwards directions. And you can see here, look at the amount of people jumping in the market right now. So if you know a little bit about trading, this is called a volume indicator. This shows you like the amount of people who are entering the market right now, and you can see this huge spike right here. That means like people are really taking advantage of this dip and they are entering the market, and straight away you can see that the market is starting to go up a little bit. So hopefully you will take advantage of this dip as well and get some return, because as you can see here, like the market went down and gives you the opportunity to enter the market. That was already happening like in this area here in May 21. So it's almost like 1 year back. It's same like if you invested right now, same like you invested like in 1 year before. So this is a huge and great opportunity for you guys to enjoy and get some nice returns. And always whenever you see these downwards markets going down, doesn't mean there is a crash, or doesn't mean you're gonna lose money, because the stock market is always going up, and you can see like the history is repeating itself, and this is something that is guaranteed. Like you're definitely not gonna lose any money in the stock market, as long as you are holding and as long as you're not selling any of your assets. So you can see it's always going up. You're always gonna have these retractions and these corrections, and you might see a big one like this one right here, or like this uh, huge crash here because of the pandemic and the coronavirus. And still, like, if you're not selling, if you're keeping your investments, if you still believe and you are sure about the stock market as I am right now, you will for sure know that the stock market will go up. And look at these big movements. This is a huge gain. So a lot of people, they make a lot of billions right now. They invested a lot of money in this area, and now they are enjoying the profits. So that's my advice for you guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just telling you what I am doing, so you have the free choice and decision to make if you are willing to join the stock market or you want to join Sarwa. So that's it, guys, about this video. Hopefully I didn't make it very long for you, because I also want to give you some positive insights about the stock market and how money is working in the stock market. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure, as I said, to subscribe, support the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a nice day.